Hi there. Well, our video, we're going to talk about wishes and regret clauses. Our team is consisting on Carlos Giovanni, me, Julissa Risueño, Abigail, Guillermo, and Jose Ruiz. I hope you like it.
Wish clause. When to use wish is when we talk about a possibility, an imaginary situation that you would like it to be true, according to the verb tense that use past tense, wish and past tense. The structure is subject, wish, subject, the past verb could, were, didn't come, now, when, and the complement. When you want to talk about something that you wish on the present but is not. In addition to I wish, you can also express this type of wishes with if only. The structure for if only is the same when you use I wish. Some examples. The situation is I don't like this place, in which is I wish I live in somewhere more interesting. Other situation. The seats are very uncomfortable. I wish we were traveling first class.
We use the word wish when we are talking about something that we were expecting that happened in the past, but it might not happen. In this case, when we use wish plus a past perfect, we are expressing something that we wish to happen in the past. It can be a possibility or an imaginary situation. The grammar in this case is subject plus wish plus a secondary subject plus had plus a verb in past participle plus a complement. We also can use if plus only plus subject plus had plus a verb in past participle plus a complement. In the first case, we can use, for example, I wish my teacher had spoken about that before. On the other hand, we can use if only my teacher had spoken about that before. Then we can use wish and would. When we use wish and would, is to express displeasure or irritability about something that actually happens and probably it can be changed. The grammar is subject plus wish plus a secondary subject plus would plus a verb in infinitive plus a complement. For example, I wish you would go home now. Then we can use if plus only plus subject plus would plus a verb in infinitive plus a complement. For example, if only the sun would come out.
Now it's time to talk about regret clauses. Well, we use it when we want to talk about one thing that happened that you didn't want it to happen or you actually want it to happen. The first kind of this clause is the should regret clause. We use this kind of clause to express an action that you should have done instead of what you actually did. Like if you have done a mistake. The grammar on this clause is subject plus should plus have plus the verb in past perfect plus the complement. For example, I can say, I should have done my homework today. In this case, we can see that the regret is that he didn't make his homework. and he's expressing that he actually should have done, but he didn't. And now, the next one, it's a pity, shame, regret clause. We use this one when we feel bad about something that happened. Or it's more like when we are disappointing an action that unfortunately couldn't be done or could be done. The grammar on this one, it's a pity or a shame. You can use also one of them. The subject, the verb in past simple, plus the complement. An example of this kind of clause, it's a shame I wasn't here in time. And this example, we can see that he couldn't be in time. And he is expressing a disappointment about it. Like, he really wanted to be there, but he couldn't. So it's a shame that he wasn't there in time. We can also use the other one, like the pity. And it's a pity I wasn't here in time. This is more likely used to talk about another person. Like, it's a pity you wasn't here in time. But it has more or less the same meaning. But it's the same thing. Disappointing an action that it certainly couldn't be done.
Well, now we are going to talk about the regret continuous. The regret form is followed by an ing form when it refers to back to the past. It is, for example, the regret plus ing, it is used to convince the idea of being sorry about something done or not done in the past. The formula to follow this regret is the subject plus regret plus verb plus ing plus complement. An example of this, it could be I regret not traveling so much, or I regret quitting my job. Qualifying regrets. Well, this is the same thing, just in this case, in the beginning of the sentence, we use an adjective to describe the regret. For example, my biggest regret is that I didn't live life to the full. The formula to follow this regret is possessive adjective plus qualifying adjective plus is plus that plus clause in the past tense.
Okay, with the things that we learned, we're gonna try to make some exercises. For this, we need you to make the page number 147, exercise 4 and 5. And for the exercise 96, the exercise number 3. You can go back in the video to know the structure of the clauses. So we're gonna give you a minute. You can pause the video, and when you finish, you can play it again and see if you was right. Okay, so pause the video.
Alright, we are going to start with the exercise. As a first point, we have wishes and regrets. We have to write the same regrets using different structures. The first one is, if only I hadn't left. The second one,
It's a pity I left. The next one is, my biggest regret is that I left. Number 4, I wish I hadn't left. Number 5, I should haven't left. Okay, in the next exercise we have to complete the regrets. Number 1, bad cook. I wish I had learned to cook. Number 2, failed student. I should have worked hard. The third is unfit person. I regret being so lazy. The next one is only child. My biggest regret is that I didn't have a brother. The 5 is unhappy single. If only I weren't so fussy.
Okay, in conclusion, we use a wish clause when we want to express something that we want, like something that we want to happen, something that we want to have, or whatever, you know? And a regret clause is used when you wanted something, you wish that something happened, but it didn't happen, you know, and you feel bad about it. You probably got bad luck, and you're expressing your regrets about the thing that it didn't work like you thought and it didn't happen like you wanted. And yeah, that will be all. So thanks for watching our video. I hope you like it, and see you later. Bye bye.